So today you want to choose. Yes, yes. Amazing, amazing, amazing news, amazing news. We are now officially in the third stage of this whole thing. And I hate saying it is exactly, exactly stuff. I said to you yesterday, equally an all-time high. But I told you that the Bitcoin dominance would break, and when it broke, I told you it's not going to be like a small break. It's going to look something like that. Look at that.
You guys are welcome to my live stream. I'm going to be trading live on YouTube today with you guys, and I'll be sharing my screen as well. All right, so keep sharing the link. Tell your friends to join. Share the link for everybody to join. Your friends, your neighbors, your enemies. Let everybody join this live trading session. Let's make money together. If you're a futures trader, feel free to make money with me. So if you are replicating the same steps, everything I'm doing, then you will achieve the same result. You will definitely achieve the same result. And I will share my screen. All right, guys, you're welcome to this epic moment where I'm going to be trading live on YouTube. I'll be trading live on YouTube with you guys. I'm trying to share the link. I'm trying to share the link and some key things I'll be doing. Let me stop sharing. All right, guys. All right, so you guys are welcome. I decided to stop sharing my screen so that I do a proper introduction for you, for those who are coming to watch live and direct. I'd like you guys to do something. Smash the like button, turn on post notification, share this link to your friends, right? Share this link to your friends and get everybody to join on this channel and watch me trade live. I put out signals out there, and I have people, using. Is my okay. Something. Smash the like button. All right, so can you guys hear me? Notification, share this link to your friends, right? Share this link to your friends and get everybody to join. Can you guys hear me? Please, if you can hear me, I want you guys to say something in the chat box. If you can hear me, type something on the chat box. If you can hear me, type something on the chat box. Type something on the chat box, on the comment section. If you can hear me, write something on the comment section. Let me know if you can hear me. It's very important before I continue. Confirm if you can hear me. If you guys can hear me, I want you to type something on the comment section. I want to start off with a bit of an introduction. Say something nice on the comment section. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Well, nobody's saying anything. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I need to confirm that. It's very important before I continue. If you can hear me, please, 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 please say something on the chat box. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Say something on the chat box if you can hear me. Say something on the chat box if you can hear me. Hello. Okay. 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 What's this? Yeah. this point. Are you guys seeing what is happening? We're currently 14% up, 14% up, 14% up. Oh, I think I'll have to share my screen to show you the trade so far. Okay, so we have only 3 persons. Guys, just turn on post notification and yeah. Fifteen minutes. So I've taken like $400 profits, then I want to eat in again. Whoa. So if you can see my screen, I've actually taken like $700 profit on this trade. I left and I entered again. This is the third time I'm entering, and I'm currently on $78 profit on this third entry. That's $87 profit right now. $112 profit right now. Whoop! Let me share my screen and show you guys what I'm saying. I'm talking about. $112 profit, $137 profit. That should make my total profit about $1,000 if I should exit now. But I'm still watching. All right, so this is my third entry, and we are currently on $137 profit. So I'm going to exit. So I just exited now. I took like 80 something dollars profit. So if you can see my order history here. So no, later I'm going to do a proper review of this so that you will see profits and all so far. So I'm not holding any position currently. So I will enter again like right now. Okay, for okay, so I'm entering like now. So this is my fourth entry. My exit for this entry is going to be at 6.33. My exit is going to be at, all right, so I'm going to set my exit to be at 6.4. So if I should exit at 6.4, 6.4, my profit is going to be $1,145. Notice I didn't put a stop loss yet. So I'm going to put a stop loss, but not immediately. Now I'm expecting the price of the coin to go down to, let's see, yeah. Let's see. Well, let's see, 6.22. 6.22. So I should have waited more and then entered, but no problem. So 6.22, we touched 6.22. Let's see if we're going to reverse. So we are struggling on that 6.22 right now. My prediction is that we won't cross this 6.22. Stop here. Let me share with my other. Share. All right, so we went below 6.22. Whoa. Okay. So a good entry for anybody that wants to enter now. A very good entry. Let me check my Fibonacci retracement. My 15 minutes candle. All right, so I would have waited and entered somewhere around here, but no problem. So if you can see my chart, let me see. So we have 4 persons watching. So if you can see my charts, our RSI is already on overbought.
Okay, but we've been trading around this zone for a long time. Like we've been here for a while. We've been here. So RSI have kind of seen a support within these levels between here and here. It's seen support within these levels. So over time, we're going to see a decline on RSI. Mind you, RSI is what do you call it? Relative strength index for those who are new to indicators. Relative strength index, RSI, relative strength index. So we are testing a support below, on the RSI, we are testing a support. So let's see if our RSI rebound is going to reverse back, right? And then our MACD, which is hold on, sorry. Our MACD moving average is also on a critical zone, but then it's converging already. It's converging already. It's converging. So on our which candlestick is this? 15 minutes. This is what I see. Then on 30 minutes, we're also on a critical point. So let me see. So there's a support somewhere around here. There's a support here. So hopefully we don't break that support. Hopefully we don't break it. So we need to reverse back and continue moving back up. So let's watch it and see what plays out. Let's see what plays out. So there's a trend that is forming. It's forming a very funny trend. So it went down and then went up, which is more like a higher high, higher than the previous high. And then it went low, and then this is a higher high, higher than the previous one. But here we are kind of ranging. We are ranging here. We are ranging. So hopefully it bounces back from this zone. Hopefully it bounces back once it hits this support here. So if you're on trade currently with me, set your stop loss at 6.201. But I doubt if we're going to see that low. I doubt 6.208. 6.20. Oh, 6.192. That's what it is. But I don't see us crossing that level. All right, set. So if you're live with me, click the subscribe button. I can see we have like 4 persons watching this live and we only have 2 subscribers. How far, guys? Just click on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification button so that whatever we are doing, whenever we come live, you will be notified. You'll be the very first person to get notified that we are live. And I'll be doing more of this once in a while. We're doing more of this. We have 5 persons live on this section. Leave. Remember where I said our stop loss should be set if you are on trade right now. You set your stop loss at 6.192. But I don't think we are going to reach there. I doubt. Remember what we're doing is scalping. Scalping has a level of risk and equal amount of risk and reward. So you try to make as much as you can. So we are ranging and it's really funny. Let me take this down a little. We are ranging. So let me check a different time frame. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, let's watch it. Whoa, okay, so we just touched this support here and we are breaking it. So if you set your stop loss, you should be out of the trade by now. But then let's look at 45 minutes, what is going on there. Okay. One hour. So we're going to look for a very perfect entry, better entry. Oh, okay, I see what is pushing down the price. So let's check. This is 4 hours. Let's look at 1 hour first. And let's bring out our, okay, so on 1 hour is resting on our support here. Hopefully it bounces back. Let's bring out our Ichimoku cloud. On the 1 hour, on the 4 hours. So looking at my chart on my Binance account, there is a very strong Ichimoku cloud somewhere around 6.265, and it's struggling to break it. And that was a previous high. It was a previous support, but right now it's acting as a resistance. Okay, so we bounced off of this our prediction. Let me see. Oh, sorry. Let me go to 30 minutes. So on 30 minutes, we are trying to, this is a very strong support here because of this range. So hopefully, even if you should go, low, another support is somewhere around here. But I don't think, I think there's a very big struggle between the bulls and the bears somewhere around here. That's why it's struggling. And remember this. So if we should break this blue line, then I think we are going to go much lower. Another thing on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, this is what is happening. We have, okay, of course, our Fibonacci retracements is showing us that there is a support here. There's a support here, and there's a resistance up here. This green line, there's a resistance there. So let me show you what is causing that resistance. That point used to be a very strong support for EOS. How many persons are watching? 4 persons. All right, so we used to have a very strong support somewhere around here, right? This 6.57 zone up to 8.6 zone. So it used to be a very strong one. Okay. So on our 4 hours, that is what we are struggling with. And hopefully the bulls are strong enough to break that resistance. Okay. One more thing on the 4 hours. Let me see. 3 hours. Let's see, 1 day. So on our 1 day, on our daily charts, we are setting up for a very, very bullish push. So all the other time frames are respecting this. They are respecting their RSI and their MACD. So it's only normal we see a little retrace so that the market can breathe and have enough energy for another big push. I'm going to call 2 coins that you can buy, and in the next few weeks you will see some massive returns. Just buy and hold them. So while we are watching this trade, I'm going to call those coins. So my target for today's trade is 7. I mean 7. 7. And if we break 7, the next target is 9. And I think we are going to see that 9 in a couple of days. Let me see. Okay, so if you're live with me, I want you to say something on the chat box. Say something on the chat box. Say something in the chat box. Digital merchants. Shaibu Destiny. Say something on the chat box. Put like some fire emojis and so we are still watching this support, this scenario. We're still watching it. We're still watching it. Yeah. Hey, Joanne, you guys are welcome. So while we are still doing the trade, I'm going to call a coin. I'm going to call a coin. And I want you to buy this coin and hold in the next few days. We're going to be seeing some massive movements on those coins. 1 inch. 1 inch is currently trading at $5.7, and I expect it to get to $6.2 within the next 2 days. So if you are not trading 1 inch, do well to hold some 1 inch. Just buy and hold 1 inch. All right, buy and hold 1 inch. And the next coin is BNB. The CEO of Binance, CZ, just made a post on his Twitter account. He said that the current price of BNB is still at the bottom, like, BNB is still at the deep. So whenever he does that post, he makes such kind of post, usually the price of BNB surges to, a higher price, because of course he has a huge community and they listen to him very well. So do well to hold some BNB, and we may see BNB at $700 any moment from now. The next coin I want you to hold is COMP, CMP, COMP. So COMP is going to rally as well. COMP is going to rally. It's going to surge. And the surge is going to be very significant. So do well to hold some rally. So whenever you are doing scalp trading, right? It's very important you use after making your analysis, check shorter time frames. It would help you to make informed decisions for those who are into scalp trading. So scalp traders we have 4 persons watching. And the coins I called right now are COMP, BNB, what's the next coin? 1 inch. 1 inch. So let's see how this is playing out. So we couldn't break this supports, Fibonacci supports, at 6 points. I mean support, yeah. At 6.168. We couldn't break that. And of course, if you check, we didn't even get to on our 15 minutes time frame. Let me see. On our 15 minutes time frame, we briefly broke this resistance and this support on our RSI, and eventually we is becoming a very strong resistance now. Not really very strong, but let's see what happens. I believe it's going to break it and get back to the upside. Let me check 45 minutes. Okay. So our next task is to ensure that we cross this range. If we cross this range, then it means we are back on this Fibonacci trend, which we actually haven't broken it till now. So hopefully we get back on the trend and start, ranging upwards. Okay. And like I said, the reason why this is happening is because of a very strong support on our hourly time frame. On our hourly time frame, we have a very strong support there, strong resistance there. We can see that through our Fibonacci, our Ichimoku cloud. Our Ichimoku cloud. So if we're able to break that back to the upside, then we are sure of getting to $7 today. We're sure of getting back to $7 today. So from now, we're going to be using our 15 minutes time frame for our scalping. We use 15 minutes for our scalping. So let's watch the trade. If you are still with me, if you're happy about the 4 coins I have called, the 3 coins I've called for you guys now, please say something on the chat box. Put some hot emoji. Put some fire emoji there. If you're happy about the coins I've called, put some fire emoji on the chat box. So we'll quickly look at the BNB chart. Look at BNB and look at we'll look at BNB. We'll also look at 1-inch chart. BNB and 1-inch. Yeah. So let's look at BNB and 1-inch. EOS is still struggling. So, and also it's very important for you to know that the BTC dominance is really dropping. BTC dominance is dropping like mad. And of course, this usually brings about alt seasons. Okay. It brings about alt pump. So whenever Bitcoin is dumping, I mean, not Bitcoin as in price. Of course, it's Bitcoin dominance when it's dropping. Somehow the price of Bitcoin is also affected, but it's really not about the price. It's about the dominance, the dominance in the market. Dominance is how many percent of Bitcoin, how many percent of the total fund in the market is inside Bitcoin, right? So the more money we have inside Bitcoin, the more, the dominance of Bitcoin in the market. So what we don't want is for only Bitcoin to hold all the dominance. It affects the general price of every other coin in the market. Okay. So whenever that happens, the price of other altcoins starts going up. Why? Because the value starts going into altcoin. When Bitcoin dominance is going down, it means that money is moving from the Bitcoin market, and it is all moving to what do you call it? It's moving to altcoins, other altcoins, potential altcoins, and that's what brings about alt seasons. Okay, guys, I don't understand what is going on. I don't understand what is going on. We have like 5 persons watching this live trading section and nobody is subscribing. You guys should just subscribe. It doesn't take anything to subscribe, right? I'm going to call names. Digital Merchant, have you subscribed? Joanne, have you subscribed? El Ruxi, have you subscribed? You need to subscribe ASAP. It's very easy to subscribe. Just hit the subscription button and turn on push notifications so that you will get notified whenever I post some live, some videos, educative videos, and whenever I post what do you call it? Whenever I post any content, any form of content. So subscribe and turn on post notification. All right. All right, guys. I'm still waiting for you guys to subscribe. Subscribe. Keep subscribing. Oh, okay. Awesome. So buy those coins I just called. Buy them. So let's look at BNB. We'll still come back to EOS. Let's look at BNB. Let's look at BNB. So for those who were live, the last time I came live, what's it? BNB futures. So the last time I had this section, I analyzed BNB and I said that BNB was going to get to $700, and the price was all the way down at 555. It was in this low. I made that prediction, and since then I was actually holding some powerful positions on BNB. It's just that I aped out too early. I aped out at 607. No, five something. I think either 590 or so. That was when I aped out. And I don't want to ape in. I want to watch the market. And today I'm going in on BNB. I'm going in on BNB today because of the post that the CEO just made. And since I made that call, let me check what the price was when I made the call for BNB. It was 615 when I made the call this morning. It's currently 617, and there's a very strong resistance in this zone. Very strong resistance here. Very strong resistance. So we need to break that resistance, and I believe we're going to break it even before my live session is over. So we'll break it, like we'll range a little, or maybe we may not even range. We may break it, and once we break it, the next target will be at 625. So 625 will become our next challenge, which I believe BNB is strong enough to break. Yeah. BNB is strong enough to break it. It's strong enough to break it. All right. And most of the money that is leaving the Bitcoin market, causing the dominance to drop, most of them are moving to BNB, to Ethereum, to exchange tokens, and to what do you call it? DeFi and NFT tokens. That's where the money is moving. It's very important for you to know where the money is moving. If you don't know where the money is going, then you will probably be trading coins that are not going to moon or pump. All right. So just have that in mind. Now let's look at 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 inch. All right, so where did I make the call? I made the call at 5.7. I said buy from between 5.7 to 5.75. So it's still a huge opportunity for you to get in. Very strong, big opportunity for you to get in on 1 inch. So if you are getting in on 1 inch, okay, You guys saw it now. Like I said, assuming you got in here, good. But let's see what plays out. Let's see what plays out. Sell price is 5.8782. You can sell at 6.2. So our next challenge will be to break this resistance up here. Resistance is sitting at 5.85. 5.85. That's where the resistance is. Let me change this to 30 minutes. And on the longer term short time frame, the next resistance is 6.2. So this is where my target is for 1 inch in the next 24 hours. In the next 24 hours. Let's see the 4 hours. Okay, okay. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see daily. There's something I posted on the daily. We already divergence on the upside. Now RSI is sitting on 557.68. So this is telling me that we will most likely hit 6.09 or probably cross it a little bit to the next resistance level, which is here. Okay, so have you guys turned on your post notification? You need it. You need to turn on your post notification. Okay, we have 6 subscribers now. I have to refresh to see that. Thank you guys for subscribing and share the link. Get your friends to join. This is going to be very, 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 very phenomenal. Watching these things happen, play out in real life. All right, so we are going to see what I said. We are going to see 6.09. You can write it somewhere and watch the market play out its magic. So the next coin I called that I want us to take a look at is COMP, COMP. So COMP USDT. All right, COMP USDT. COMP USDT is 654. COMP is going to break out. No, is this COMP? CMP. Not COMP, is kick. Kick is okay. Let's kick Bitcoin. Let's check kick USDT. Okay, so the price at the time I called it was 43. So buy COMP at this price, 43. It's a little bit at a very dangerous zone. So you can also decide not to buy and watch, but just put it on your watch list. Put it on your watch list and you can follow their news, get to know what is going on. But this coin is the next BNB. It's the very next BNB. And if we are to do some fundamentals around it, fundamental analysis around it, you can check coinmarketcap.com. Check Cake. So Cake has a total supply of 159 million. And the beautiful thing is that everything is in the hands of people. Wow. So Cake is all out, all out, all out. So there's no new Cake to come into circulation. All right. No new Cake is coming into circulation. And it's currently on its all-time high zone. All-time high has been 44. Current price is 43. So it's currently on its all-time high zone. And the all-time low was 0.198. Okay, and that was barely last year, barely 1 year ago. So I see Cake like getting to $100, $200, and what have you. All right. So let's go back to our EOS. Let's see what is happening in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is currently trading at 54,412. 54,000. So Bitcoin is currently struggling on this resistance at 55,000. And I said something, until Bitcoin breaks this support, this resistance here, and crosses 57,000. If Bitcoin doesn't cross 57,000, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. I mean, on the long term, I'm bearish, super, super bearish. If that doesn't happen, we need to close above 57,000. Our daily candlestick must close above 57,000 for me to be bullish on Bitcoin. All right. So we need to close above 57,000 for me to be bullish on Bitcoin again. And I think that will happen. It's pretty much getting ready because our MACD has converged. Our RSI is currently indecisive in the middle, and I believe it's going to go back up. So with that, the next movement of Bitcoin may shock people. Even though we are in out season, but Bitcoin may surprise people. Let me see. We may rally all the way. Once we break that, we'll rally all the way to 66,000. Hopefully 70,000. Let me check. Of 45 minutes. It's not looking good. On the shorter time frames, it's not looking good. So it's only the daily that it falls on daily to do some magic. All right, so 3 hours is bullish. 4 hours is good. All right, all right, all right, all right. You may miss something. Okay. So back to our EOS. EOS. Future. EOS is still struggling to break. So now 4 hours for EOS. For EOS, this is what I see. We are trying to cross this range, to break this range and move to the upside. And if that happens, we have a chance, a very strong. There's possibility for us to get to 6 to 7. The next resistance is going to be at 6.8. So EOS, move, 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 move. All right, so for those who are watching live, if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section on this channel. If you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section.
Hello, Richie, my guy. How far now? I'm currently stuck on a gig like this. So what happened? You know that day I told you I was taking out? Yeah, what's up with you now? Now the gig like this, and they just what we do. They are not for children at all. Are you not with your boundless paper? I'm in the tight corner. You still have time for this your crypto deals. Something that will take block confirmation after 4 hours to hit my account. Okay, see, with your boundless paper, you can send your cryptocurrency without hassle. And it is fast, easy, and safe. All you need to do is log into your account and then move your digital coins to the card. Then hand over the card and your market for payment. Are you sure that faster security? It is 100% that because it is not that and it's embarrassing you. I will call for you. If you only $100 worth of
They say life is easy, but we choose boundless. We wanted a wallet that did more, so we created it. What does boundless mean to you? Instant payments on the go, or maybe more? Spend crypto with your card. Get discounts, so you save as you swipe. We don't do easy. We choose boundless. Spend, send, receive, invest. No queues, no delays. Less waiting, more action. Save, borrow, exchange, earn. Boundless means no borders, no matter where you are or how far away. No bank, no problem. It's all in your hands and starts with one click. Why choose the easy life when you could be boundless? Boundless pay, beyond banking. They say life is easy, but we choose boundless. We wanted a wallet that did more, so we created it. What does boundless mean to you? Instant payments on the go, or maybe more? Spend crypto with your card. Get discounts, so you save as you swipe. We don't do easy. We choose boundless. Spend, send, receive, invest. No queues, no delays. Less waiting, more action. Save, borrow, exchange, earn. Boundless means no borders, no matter where you are or how far away. No bank, no problem. It's all in your hands and starts with one click. Why choose the easy life when you could be boundless? Boundless pay, beyond banking. Save, borrow,
Hello, Richie, my guy. How far now? I'm currently stuck on a date like this. So what happened? You know that day like you I was thinking out. Yeah, what's up with you now? There was a date like this, and they just what they do. They are not for children at all. Are you not with your boundless faker? I'm in a tight corner. You still have time for this your crypto limits. Something that will take block confirmation and power to hit my account. My pocket. See, with your boundless faker, you can spend your cryptocurrencies without hassle. And it is fast, easy, and safe. All you need to do is log into your account and then move your digital coin to the card. Then add over the card to the market for payment. Simple. Are you sure that fast as it is? It is 100% that because it is not that and it's embarrassing you. I'll call for you. See, you owe me $100 worth of I haven't had of this before. That's all the
beyond banking.
All right, guys, we are back to EOS. So EOS is still struggling, but like I said, I predict that it's going to get back. I predict that it's going to get back to it's going to break our range here and cross over to the other side of our trend. Whoa, it's happening. Yeah, I'm aware of launch pads and IDOs, initial DeFi offerings, and initial coin offerings. I'm aware. I'm aware of that. So if you have any specific question, you can ask. Feel free to ask any specific question. What do you want to know about IDOs? What do you want to know about launch pads? Maybe I could help. So this is a free consultancy session for you. $240. $241. All right. Digital merchant, if you have anything you want to ask, please type it on the comment section, and I'm here. Okay, so let's keep watching this play out. I see a very tough struggle between the Bulls and the Bears, but I think the Bulls are going to win this battle. Two, 4, 4, 2, 4, 5. The Bulls are winning. They're winning. They're winning. Uh-huh. The Bulls are winning. So we need to cross over to the other side. Two, 4, 6. Yeah, the Bulls are finally 2, 5, 3. Boom, 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 boom. We need to cross this. And once we cross it, it's gonna be up, 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 and away. Okay, so it's very clear that the Bulls are going to win this battle. Very clear. Very clear, very clear, very clear, very clear, very clear, very, very clear. So I feel we're going to break this. Once we get to the upside, the movement is going to be very drastic. And the next stop is going to be 6.5. 6.5. Let's watch this happen. And keep sharing this link to your friends. Get your friends to join on this. I don't do this always, and I think I should do it more often. I should do this more often. We need more volume to build up on EOS. Let me look at 3 hours. So on 3 hours, our candle is already green. Oh, I think I messed up my setup. Okay. So on 3 hours, we need to cross this range here. Very important we do that. We need to cross it. On 2 hours, yeah, we need to do the same. So let's go back to our 4 hours. So our week is very long, which shows the sign of strength and volume. Our week is very, very strong. Some people call it weak, some others call it what do you call it? Some others call it shadow or pin. It's very long, so it shows sign of strength. And the volume, the bulls are strong on this. 248. Go bulls, go bulls. So while I wait for that to happen, I'm going to, do a quick commercial. We don't need to be bored by the market. Don't 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 be bored by the market. Uh, uh, uh.
Hello, Richie, my guy. How far now? I'm currently stuck on a date like this. What happened? You know that day I told you I was taking out? Yeah, what's up with you now? Now, the date like this, and they just got the deal. They are not for children at all. Are you not with your boundless? You have time for this your crypto games. Something that will take block confirmation and pay powers to hit my account. My pocket. See, with your boundless pay card, you can send your cryptocurrency without Apple. And it is fast, easy, and safe. All you need to do is log into your account and then move your digital coin to the card. Then and over the card to your merchant for payment. Simple. Are you sure that's fast as it is? It is 100%. Bam! Because it is not that and it embarrasses you. I'm going for you. It's only $100
I noticed that there's a reverb.
Hello, Richie, my guy. How far now? I'm currently stuck on a gig like this one. What happened? You know that day I told you I was taking out? Yeah, what's up with you now? They are a gig like this, and they just what they do. They are not for children at all. And you know, with your boundless pay card, I'm in a tight corner. I don't have time for this, your crypto business. Something that will take long confirmation and 24 hours to hit my account. My pocket. See, with your boundless pay card, you can send your cryptocurrency without hassle. And it is fast, easy, and safe. All you need to do is log into your account and then move your digital coin to the card. Then hand over the card to the market for payment. Simple. Are you sure that's fast as it is? It is 100%. Bam! Because it is not that and it's embarrassing you. I'm going for you. If you owe me $100 worth of what going to do? I don't have a piece because that all the
They say life is easy, but we choose boundless. We wanted a wallet that did more, so we created it. What does boundless mean to you? Instant payments on the go, or maybe more? Spend crypto with your card. Get discounts, so you save as you swipe. We don't do easy. We choose boundless. Spend, send, receive, invest. No queues, no delays. Less waiting, more action. Save, borrow, exchange, earn. Boundless means no borders, no matter where you are or how far away. No bank, no problem. It's all in your hands and starts with one click. Why choose the easy life when you could be boundless? Boundless Pay, beyond banking. They say life is easy, but we choose boundless. We wanted a wallet that did more, so we created it. What does boundless mean to you? Instant payments on the go, or maybe more? Spend crypto with your card. Get discounts, so you save as you swipe. We don't do easy. We choose boundless. Spend, send, receive, invest. No queues, no delays. Less waiting, more action. Save, borrow, exchange, earn. Boundless means no borders, no matter where you are or how far away. No bank, no problem. It's all in your hands and starts with one click. Why choose the easy life when you could be boundless? Boundless Pay, beyond banking.
All right, guys. All right. So I'm back again. I'm back again. I'm back again. The struggle is real. The struggle is super real, man. We need to break this. We need to go to the upside. We need to go to the upside. I'm seeing some strength on the bulls are strong. Seeing some strength, you know. And if we are to look at this from Binance, let me see, let me show you so that we can see what the order book looks like. Sometimes it helps understanding what the order book looks like. And I think, okay, 249, 248. So let's go and check what the order book looks like. Whoa, who bought BNB when I called it some minutes ago? If you did, you should be on some sweet one. EOS perpetual. So what does the order book look like? So over the last 60 minutes, it's been us trying to break this range. Okay, it's been us trying to break this. Okay, so on the 30 minutes time frame, we are still we are looking very we're looking kind of bearish. But like I said, whenever you are in doubt, zoom out, or better still, change time frame. You can write this down. Whenever you're in doubt, zoom out, or better still, change your time frame. So what we are going to do now is to first of all zoom out. Let's zoom out. And it's like the magic has been done. Let's check. So, okay. So let's see. So we've been ranging on this zone, like this looks like an accumulative movement, right? Over this period, it's been, let me draw. So let's go from the, oh, sorry. Let's go with Fibonacci retracement tool. So let me drop this here. So we've been ranging between 5.6 and what? 1.9, ranging between this zone. So it's more like a very long overdue accumulative stage. And for those who did not know, it was a very long accumulative stage because every coin usually have stage for accumulation and stage for pump where it takes off, right? So we ranged on this stage for a long time, and now we are trying to break this zone. Trying to break it. And like I said, I'm looking at $7 today. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at for this 4 hours. Yeah, so there is a very strong resistance along this point. So if we're able to break this resistance, then 7 is our starting point. So what is our trade looking like? Whoa, so we got back. Powerful. Powerful. We're going to break it. Whether the devil likes it or not, we are breaking it. Since the BS could not stop us, the bulls have become our portion. So we've taken profit of $523 so far today. And if our next take profit hits, that should be on our next take profit is at $7. If that happens, if we see a parabolic pump and we get to $7, that means we are taking a profit of about $6,000 on this trade, making it a total of about let me check. Making it to a total of about $7,000 profit. So let's see if we'll meet up with this. And I think the next critical point is 6.338. So once we get to 6 point, remember we are scalping, right? So once we get to 6.338, I'm gonna take some profits. 6.338. I'm gonna take some profits and then jump back in again. So if you are with me, say something beautiful on the chat box. And if we hit our entire take profits on this trade, I will do some giveaways to the most active people on this chats, on this live session. So the most active people are those who are asking questions, who are responding to my comments, you know. So I have Roxy. I don't know if you're still there. If you're there, make a comment. I have Joanne. I have who? So got any of them you're looking at? I mean IDU and Launchpad. Yeah, most of the Launchpads on most Binance Launchpad, you know. But I have a strategy. I'm not going to talk about that strategy on this call. If you are part of my mentorship, then you will learn my strategies on IDOs and Launchpads, but I'm not going to mention them on this call. Okay, so let's be watching. So our daily MACD is getting ready for, it's converging already. So I expect something serious to happen here. Once we break this line, I feel we are going to have a very parabolic upward surge. I feel we're going to have a very parabolic upward surge. I feel we're going to have a very parabolic upward surge.
They say life is easy, but we choose boundless. We wanted a wallet that did more, so we created it. What does boundless mean to you? Instant payments on the go, or maybe more? Spend crypto with your card. Get discounts, so you save as you swipe. We don't do easy. We choose boundless. Spend, send, receive, invest. No queues, no delays. Less waiting, more action. Save, borrow, exchange, earn. Boundless means no borders, no matter where you are or how far away. No bank, no problem. It's all in your hands and starts with one click. Why choose the easy life when you could be boundless? Boundless Pay, beyond banking. They say life is easy, but we choose boundless. We wanted a wallet that did more, so we created it. What does boundless mean to you? Instant payments on the go, or maybe more? Spend crypto with your card. Get discounts, so you save as you swipe. We don't do easy. We choose boundless. Spend, send, receive, invest. No queues, no delays. Less waiting, more action. Save, borrow, exchange, earn. Boundless means no borders, no matter where you are or how far away. No bank, no problem. It's all in your hands and starts with one click. Why choose the easy life when you could be boundless? Boundless Pay, beyond banking.
Hello, it's my guy. How far now? I'm going to talk on the things like this. What happened? When I feel like this, I'll sit down. Yeah, what's up with you now? Now, the things like this, and I just look for you. I want for you that I talk. And you know, with your boundless pay high, I mean, I call it. You have time for this, your crypto deal. Something that we just block confirmation and say, power to my account. But see, with your boundless pay card, you can send your cryptocurrency without having anything fast, easy, and safe. All you need to do is log into your account and then move your digital coins to the card. Then hand over the card to the market for payment. Simple. Are you sure that's fast as it is? It is 100% bam, because it is yours and it's your value. I will go for you. If you owe me $100 worth of it. What bank is this? Boundless. I'm kind of this because they're all limited.
All right, so we are still struggling with this uh zone. I expect a parabolic pump. That's what I expect. The pump is going to be parabolic once you cross that level. It's going to be parabolic. And I'm looking at what is holding it down. You can see it here, this level. It's very obvious, very obvious, very critical zone, very critical. Here, it was a support here, it was a resistance here, it was a resistance here. So the village people of EOS encamped around here. So if we're able to break this resistance, we're going to test our previous high. Wow. We're going to test our previous high, like for real. So we need to shatter this resistance to be able to test our previous high. And the previous high was what? Was 8.88. If we are to put our take profit on 8.88, it means we are going to cash out more than $10,000 on this trade. But I see another resistance here. So if we cross this current resistance, there's another strong resistance here. That is here. And that's why I put my take profit on 7 point. So 7.2. Yeah, 7.2. So once we get to 7.2, we exit this trade. And the bears are trying their best to stop this from happening, but fear no evil, because I see no evil and I hear no evil. The struggle is real, man. Struggle is real. Yeah, but it's odd season, baby. It's odd season. Yeah, bulls, bulls, bulls. We need some more volume. Some more volume. We need some more volume. We need to break this. Very important.
Hello, Richie, my guy. How far now? I'm currently stuck on a bit like this. What happened? You know that day like this I was taking out? Yeah, yeah, what's up with you now? There was a bit like this, and they just got with you. They are not for children at all. Are you not with your boundless paper? I'm in the tight corner. You have time for this, your crypto deal. Something that will take block confirmation and pay power to hit my account. In my pocket. See, with your boundless paper, you can spend your cryptocurrencies without hassle. And it is fast, easy, and safe. All you need to do is log into your account and then move your digital coin.
They say life is easy, but we choose Boundless. We wanted a wallet that did more, so we created it. What does Boundless mean to you? Instant payments on the go, or maybe more? Spend crypto with your card. Get discounts, so you save as you swipe. We don't do easy. We choose Boundless. Spend, send, receive, invest. No queues, no delays. Less waiting, more action. Save, borrow, exchange, earn. Boundless means no borders, no matter where you are or how far away. No bank, no problem. It's all in your hands and starts with one click. Why choose the easy life when you could be boundless? Boundless Pay, beyond banking.
Hello, Richie, my guy. How far now? I'm currently stuck on a bit like this. So what happened? That day I think I was taking out. Yeah, what's up with you now? They are on a bit like this, and they just what they do. They are not for children at all. And you know, with your boundless pay card. I'm in a tight corner. I still have time for this your crypto gimmicks. Something that will take block confirmation and 24 hours to hit my account. My pocket. See, with your boundless pay card, you can send your cryptocurrency without hassle. And it is fast, easy, and safe. All you need to do is log into your account and then move your digital coins to the card. Then hand over the card to the market for payment. Simple. Are you sure that's fast as it is? It is 100% back because it is not that and it embarrasses you. I'll go for you. If you hold me $100 worth of what bank is this? It's not it's a boundless. I haven't heard of this before. All the details are digital banking
Always be a gentleman. Spend your crypto any place, anytime, anywhere. Boundless pay. Beyond banking.
And if you look at the depth here, what's up? Yeah. Mhm. Okay, they come. Okay. So we are currently seeing a rejection. Wow, we are seeing a rejection. Very strong pullback. It's still respecting our support here. Still respecting it big time. So let's hope it keeps respecting that support line. So whenever this kind of thing happens, it's more like the market is trying to shake off all the weak hands, shaking off the weak hands. And but if you look at our depth here, you will notice that there is more volume or more money on the bid. So on our bid side, you know, it's really building up heavily. So the bears are a bit weak. So I don't see them claiming so much positions. So I believe that as volume is coming in, we're gonna see some heavy movements. The battle is very fierce, very fierce.
They say life is easy, but we choose boundless. We wanted a wallet that did more, so we created it. What does boundless mean to you? Instant payments on the go, or maybe more? Spend crypto with your card. Get discounts, so you save as you swipe. We don't do easy. We choose boundless. Spend, send, receive, invest. No queues, no delays. Less waiting, more action. Save, borrow, exchange, earn. Boundless means no borders, no matter where you are or how far away. No bank, no problem. It's all in your hands and starts with one click. Why choose the easy life when you could be boundless? Boundless Pay, beyond banking.
All right, guys. So what we are going to do, once we crossed, okay, we are still there. Hopefully we don't go further down. But there is still possibility of, I'll show you. There's still a possibility of this happening. We going down to this zone. There's still a possibility of us getting to this zone. That's 66.065. The reason is that our RSI, yeah, even though it's respecting this line here, but you know, there may be a small push or a strong push that will push it below this line a little. Okay. But if that should happen, I'm looking at 6.065 and then we are back up. So, but I don't think that would happen. There's a strong support also on 6.136. So what is happening is this MACD and RSI wants to play out in a very funny way. One more thing, let me check 15 minutes. So all this wants to have a reset. Wants to have a reset. 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes broke it. And of course, 15 minutes has its own support somewhere around its own trend separately. So yeah. Everything is setting up as it should on 45 minutes. Let me see. Yeah. So on 45 minutes, you know, everything is ranging as it should. On 1 hour, let me see. 1 hour. 2 hours. So, but we are holding our position all the way through. We are holding our position all the way through. So, of course, the market doesn't go boom, 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 boom up. You know, it doesn't happen like that. You should, if you're a trader, you should know that the market will always, you know, go down and then go up. Even if there is a prediction for a coin to hit the sky, it will first of all touch some stratosphere, some hemisphere before it even gets to the sky. So if you're on trade, hold tight onto your position. We are going to get, if there is any need for a stop loss, I'll let you know where to put your stop loss as if you want to be stopped out. But I'm still very bullish on EOS. Until I come back again, I'm going to stop this live so it's not like all day. So I will leave this live and probably focus on one or two other things. Once it's time for me to go live again, I'll post the link on my status and every other place for you to join and enjoy what we're doing. By the way, this is brought to you by Grind Earn Portfolio Management Company. Is one of my companies. What we do is we help institutions, individuals, like banks, to manage their crypto portfolios. We can trade on their behalf and they make profit. And if you're an individual, you can try out our investment portfolios. All right. So with the investments, this is for the general public. You can, earn 20% ROI in 3 months. If you want it to be broken down into monthly, we can do that. But in 3 months, you get 20% ROI. We have a standard plan that gives 60% ROI in 6 months. And we have the premium package that gives you 150% ROI in 12 months. So you get like double of your money plus extra 50% on top of it. So Grind Earn owns, an academy that, where you can learn everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. So we are actually still doing some videos that will be out there. And if you want to join, if you want to learn how to trade, yes, want to learn how to trade, sports trading, fundamental analysis, risk management, technical analysis, portfolio management, you need to subscribe to some of our courses. And the minimum amount is $250. So you get to learn how to trade like the Oracle. And we have an OTC DEX. OTC DEX allows you to buy bulk cryptocurrencies. You want to buy 10 Bitcoins, 20 Bitcoins, 1,000 Bitcoins, we can make that available for you. And if you want to sell any of these volumes as well, you can sell to us and we'll buy right away and pay into any bank account you provide, whether it's in USA, Dubai, South Africa, UK, Nigeria, Ghana, anywhere you want us to make the payment, we'll make the payment. If you want it cash, or kind or transfer will do that for you. Also, our signal group, is where we make analysis and we drop some of these signals, and the signals can help you to trade professionally, even though you are not a professional. So you get to trade with us and make profit with us. And once in a while, I would come live on YouTube to do live market analysis. And if you want to also, sometimes I do it on Facebook, right? But I think I'm going to be more consistent on YouTube. So feel free to subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and tell your friends to also do the same. I'm going to be doing giveaways as well as we proceed. All right. So our application, based on our partnership with one of my companies, Boundless Pay, would allow you to monitor your portfolios. If you invest with us, you'll be able to see how much profit you've made. You can withdraw straight to your bank account. It has every feature you need to become a full crypto monster. Like, you don't necessarily need to do any other thing. To cash out your money or to do any other thing with your funds. If you are a crypto person, spend your money the crypto way. Okay, so we also have our news. You can feel free to always check out our news. I mean, currently we are looking for people that would, come up with content. If you're a content person, feel free to give us content. And the information is out there, and you will make money, writing for us. So this is where I'll call it a minute. Okay. I'm not leaving forever. I'm going to come back. And when I get back, we continue with this. And I'm going to end this with our commercial. I'll end it with our commercial.
They say life is easy, but we choose Boundless. We wanted a wallet that did more, so we created it. What does Boundless mean to you? Instant payments on the go, or maybe more? Spend crypto with your card. Get discounts, so you save as you swipe. We don't do easy. We choose Boundless. Spend, send, receive, invest. No queues, no delays. Less waiting, more action. Save, borrow, exchange, earn. Boundless means no borders, no matter where you are or how far away. No bank, no problem. It's all in your hands and starts with one click. Why choose the easy life when you could be boundless? Boundless Pay, beyond banking.
All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll be back in a short while and we'll continue watching our trade. I believe we're going to shatter that resistance and we'll go all the way up to $7 for EOS within today or maximum tomorrow. I love you guys and keep having a beautiful day ahead.